Yeah.
Good morning. This is Sanjeev Goenka. In view of the second wave of pandemic and the current situation, we are holding this AGM by video conferencing. The quorum is present and I declare the 60th AGM open. And I would like to add, and I would like to, on behalf of everyone, welcome all of you to this AGM. All the directors are present. In case there is any connectivity problem for me at any point, as per the decision of our Board of Directors, Mr. Kaushik Roy, Managing Director, or failing him, Mr. Paras Chowdhury, Non-Executive Independent Director, will conduct the rest of the proceedings of the meeting. I now hand over to the Company Secretary to brief you about some basic rules pertaining to the AGM.
Thank you, sir, and good morning, everyone. As you are aware, the process of remote e-voting by the members has concluded yesterday at 5 p.m. Members who have not yet cast their votes electronically and who are participating in this meeting will have an opportunity to cast their votes during the meeting through the e-voting system provided by NSDL. This facility will continue to be available for the next 30 minutes post conclusion of the meeting. In this meeting, there will be no voting by show of hands, and there will not be any proposer seconder for the resolutions. No result will be declared at the meeting. The Board of Directors have appointed Mr. Ranjan Kumar Roy, Practicing Company Secretary, membership number 5 FCS 5684, as the scrutinizer to supervise the e-voting process, and he has joined the meeting. Also, Mr. Kamal Agarwal has joined the meeting as a representative of Statutory Auditors, Messrs. S.R. Batlibhai and Company LLP. The company has received requests from some members to pre-register themselves as speakers at the meeting. Accordingly, they will be invited to ask questions or express their views when their names are called up by the chairman after all the 5 AGM resolutions are taken up. Members are requested to keep their questions and suggestions brief. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Kaushik. As the notice is already circulated to all the members, I take the notice convening the meeting as read. Before I get to the formal items on the agenda, let me just say that it's been a year of challenges, a year of resilience, a year of grit, and a year of determination. We declared 350% dividend, and this is the second year running that we've done that. We are 61 years old, but we are younger and more agile than before. Our capacity is 603,000 metric tons per annum and 84 megawatts of green power. 4 plants strategically located across India, 6 global offices, a presence in 45 countries. The last year, we've started focusing very strongly on research, innovation, invention. And in addition to the state-of-art Research and Development Center at Palej, our Research and Development Center at Belgium is now operational. 45 scientists and technologists are working on various products, and we have applied for patents for 9 products now. Our share of value-added products have improved steadily, and we have to continue on this journey much more strongly. We've been adding capacity constantly and will continue to do so in the immediate future. We are proposing to set up a smart factory at Chennai of close to 2 lakh metric tons per annum and 36 megawatts of green power. It will be as per Industry 4.0 standards, using the most modern automation technology. It will rely heavily on artificial intelligence and data analytics. An additional 14 megawatts of green power at Palej, 7 megawatts, and Kochi 7 megawatts is likely to be operational this year. By the end of this expansion at Chennai, our capacity will be just under 8 lakh metric tons per annum of carbon black and 134 megawatts of green power. Our constant investment in operations, in technology, in research is paying off, and we are now the preferred supplier to most of the international majors. The last quarter has been good, and the next few quarters promise to be good. With this, I come to the 5 AGM resolutions. Item number 1 pertains to the adoption of accounts and report. Resolved that the audited financial statements of the company for the year ended 31st March 2021 and the consolidated audited financial results for the year ended on that date, together with the reports of the Board of Directors and auditors thereon, be and are hereby approved and adopted. Item 2 of the notice pertains to the confirmation of interim dividend. Resolved that an interim dividend of 350%, that is rupees 7 per equity share of rupees 2 each, already paid for the financial year ended 31 March 2021, be and is hereby confirmed. Since the next item refers to the reappointment of Mrs. Preeti Goenka, I will request Mr. Kaushik Roy, Managing Director, to take the chair.
Item number 3 of the notice. Reappointment of Mrs. Preeti Goenka as a non-executive director. Resolved that Mrs. Preeti Goenka, holding director identification number 051999069, who retires by rotation at this meeting and being eligible, offers herself for reappointment, be and is hereby reappointed as a non-executive director of the company. Thank you, Chairman, and over to you.
Thank you, Kaushik. Item number 4 of the notice pertains to the appointment of Mrs. Rusha Mitra as a non-executive independent woman director. And I refer to item number 4 of the notice and move the ordinary resolution for the appointment of Mrs. Rusha Mitra, holding director identification number 084022204, as a non-executive independent woman director of the company, liable to retire by rotation for a period of 5 years with effect from 8th April 2021. Item number 5 of the notice pertains to the ratification of remuneration of Messrs. Showman Banerjee, cost auditors of the company. I refer to item number 5 and move the ordinary resolution for ratification of remuneration of Messrs. Showman Banerjee, cost auditors of the company. I now invite the members who pre-registered themselves in the following order. First, Mr. Anindya Kundu. Mr. Kundu?
Hello, sir. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Kundu.
Good morning, sir. I have prepared a few points for this AGM today, and I have added a point just right now. There's a video before this AGM which was quite informative, and though small one. And the points that I'd like to start with today is the first, congratulating MD sir for the award, Business Excellent Award that we have got this year. And congratulations, or we can say, I'd like to say a thanks to the PCBL team, who has performed quite well during this this year and given us the 2 consecutive highest PAT. Okay, despite closure of in business and proceedings for the first quarter this year, and also giving us a 350% dividend, declaring a 350% dividend, which we have already got before the AGM. that is a very good initiative from the company. So now I'd like to ask, sir, how is our company planning to deal up with the further wave or the further incidents of this pandemic, if anything comes again and in the near future, how the company is going to deal with it? If our business again shut, if the factories and all again close down for another some months or so, that's right. And what will be the impact on it? Is the withdrawal of the anti-dumping duty on the carbon black going to affect us in the future years? And is the increase in the domestic demand, what is the reason behind it? Is it largely because of the import restriction on pneumatic tires? This I'd like to ask. And also, congratulations to the board for bringing down the finance cost, which I have seen. And a small query, that is, I have found that a PCBL subsidiary, PCBL TN, Tamil Nadu, was formed this year, 29 September 2020. What is the reason behind it? I might have missed out something on this regard, on this subsidiary formation. So these are all the points that I have prepared, and I hope that our company delivers the same kind of results or better results in this coming year, and we'd expect a much more dividend. And we have already got the appreciation on our share capital. I'd like to mention that also. So A and D of ABCD, as one of our shareholders used to say ABCD. So appreciation we have already got. Dividend we have already got. Now bonus we are waiting for. Let's see what happens in the next year. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Pannalal Giriya.
मैं पन्नालाल गिरिया। मैं सबसे पहले बधाई देता हूं हमारे चेयरमैन महोदय को, जिन्होंने हमको इस डायमंड ईयर के अंदर में एक बड़ा डिविडेंड दिया। और इस चैलेंज के टाइम में चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट करना हमारे चेयरमैन की हैबिट है। एक चैलेंज था, कोरोना का चैलेंज था, प्रोडक्शन बनाना था, क्वालिटी प्रोडक्शन बनाना था और सबको डिलीवरी देना था। इसके लिए उन्होंने एमडी साहब को जिम्मेदारी दी। एमडी साहब ने एक अच्छी टीम बना के इस भयानक शताब्दी का सबसे भयानक बीमारी के अंदर में, जिसकी कल्पना भी हम लोग नहीं कर सकते, और कोई भी किताब में, कोई भी एमबीए में, किसी भी में ये नहीं लिखा हुआ था कि यदि ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आए उसको कैसे सॉल्यूशन करना है। लेकिन हमारे चेयरमैन महोदय ने वो चैलेंज को स्वीकार करने के लिए एमडी साहब की एक टीम बनाई, और हमारे एमडी साहब ने एक अच्छी टीम बना के एक क्वालिटी प्रोडक्शन दिया, क्लाइंट तक माल पहुंचाया, जो असंभव था। मई, जून, अप्रैल, लास्ट ईयर के अंदर में सब जगह प्रॉब्लम थी, क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, लेकिन नहीं, चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट करना हमारे चेयरमैन की हैबिट है, और उसी हैबिट के कारण हम लोगों ने ये चैलेंज स्वीकार किया और एक बड़ा बैलेंस शीट और बड़ा डिविडेंड दिया। अभी प्रॉब्लम है सर, 2 है, 3 है, लेकिन इस कोरोना में हम लोगों को विजय प्राप्त करनी है और एक बड़ी बैलेंस शीट के साथ मिलना है। मैं सबसे पहले आज मल्होत्रा साहब, ओपी मल्होत्रा साहब को एक बधाई देना चाहूंगा कि उन्होंने एक छोटा सा पेड़ लगाया था दुर्गापुर में। हमारे स्वर्गीय श्री आरपीजी गोयनका के साथ में एक छोटा सा पेड़ दुर्गापुर में लगाया था। आज ये पेड़ एक बड़ वृक्ष बन गया है, और ये शायद मेरा ये कहना है कि आपके ग्रैंडफादर के तरफ से ये पोते को एक बख्शीश है, एक रिवार्ड है, और इस रिवार्ड को बचा के रखना है। एक दादा हमेशा अपने पोते से प्यार करता है, बेटा से प्यार नहीं करता है। हमारे मारवाड़ी में ये कहावत है। ये बड़ वृक्ष शाश्वत साहब को मिला है, और इसको और बड़ा आपका वो एशिया का टॉप बनाना था। शाश्वत साहब से मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि ये वर्ल्ड का टॉप बने, और मल्होत्रा साहब के बनाया हुआ ये वृक्ष आज यहाँ तक पहुंचा है। इसके लिए सभी जूनियर सीनियर सभी स्टाफ बधाई के पात्र है। मैं ज्यादा समय नहीं लूंगा। आपका सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट बहुत अच्छा काम किया इस बंदी के अंदर में। मेरे को 2 रिक्वेस्ट, 3 रिक्वेस्ट, 4 रिक्वेस्ट करके बोला कोई मीटिंग में आना है। मीटिंग में तो सर अगली बार ये भयानक खत्म हो, और फिर उसी तरह जो हर साल में मीटिंग करते हैं, मीट टुगेदर के साथ मिलनी करे। ये एक सर फॉर्मेलिटीज है, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस, एक मिलना, फेस टू फेस मिलना, इसका एक अलग ही आनंद प्राप्त होता है। मैं ज्यादा समय नहीं लूंगा। एक अच्छी बैलेंस शीट के साथ में, और हमारे एमडी साहब को मैं बोलता हूं कि सामने चैलेंज है, चैलेंज से नहीं घबराना, चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट करना ही चैलेंज को खत्म करना होता है। मैं ज्यादा समय नहीं लूंगा। इसी के साथ में ओ महरम
Mr. Ujjwal Chakravarti.
Good morning. Good morning to respected Chairman, Board of Directors and my fellow shareholders. First of all, thank you for giving me an opportunity to deliver my speech. I am Ujjwal Chakravarti, a shareholder of Philips Carbon Black Limited. Sir, most of the company of Dr. Sanjeev Goenka Group are flying. One of them, Philips Carbon Black dividend return is very high, that is 350% of face value, equal to FD return. The company is not only fought deliciously in highly competitive market and excellent, also give us brilliant performance regularly with the support of our great MD, Mr. Kaushik Roy and his team. That's why fundamentally strong of our company. Sir, I have a query about COVID-19 vaccination procedure in your company for staffs and employees. Please give us information about the vaccination process. In this pandemic situation, we all are thankful to your company secretary, Mr. Kaushik Mukherjee and his full team for successfully coordinating AGM virtually. Thanks. Thank you.
Mr. Madhusudan Dey.
Hello.
Mr. Dey.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Dey, speak up, please.
Hello. Hey, market us.
Bolun, Mr. Dey. Bolun Dey, sir.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Chairman sir.
Yes,
listen.
Mr. Dey. হ্যাঁ বলুন
বলছি আপনার ভিডিও দেখলাম, খুব সুন্দর লাগলো ভিডিও দেখে। আমি সত্যি প্রাউড যে এই বিসিবিএল এর শেয়ার হোল্ডার হয়ে। ভেরি গুড রেজাল্ট, ডিভিডেন্ড অলরেডি পেয়ে গেছি। আর আর আপনার যে ব্যালেন্স শিট হয়েছে ভেরি নাইস, ডাটামেটিক্স। আচ্ছা, আর আপনার ওয়েবসাইট very good and mathematics to the investor and business activities के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। अच्छा, और I would like to thanks to the secretary department for the good job. CSR is very good. Employees welfare के लिए आप जो किया है वो बहुत अच्छा है। Lastly, I let you know the outlook of the future plan and of the company. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Manoj Gupta.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes, Mr. Gupta.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Gupta.
Good morning, sir. First of all, I thank to your secretarial department, especially Mr. Devesh, who has helped us to join this meeting through BC. And I thanks to MD and his team for excellent result for the year in this epidemic COVID time. And I'm very thankful to him and his team for declare a 350% dividend. During this epidemic time, several companies are skipping the dividend, taking that due to the epidemic, we are unable to pay the dividend, but we have paid the dividend 350% dividend. So it's a good. And sir, what's the impact of COVID on our company? And sir, how you will celebrate Diamond Jubilee? And we know our management is very concerned about our employees, and more particularly during this pandemic. We would request that our employees are more than adequately compensated for any loss during this pandemic. CSR, you are doing excellent job. You are, as per your balance sheet, you are upcoming with a school near between Durgapur and Bardwan. So when this school will start? And sir, there is my one suggestion. If you can start late evening school, those cannot afford that they can get education in that school in the late evening. Those cannot afford so that they can get the education. And sir, any reason for AGM is early? Perhaps one of the very fast manufacturing company, or any plans for issue of rights shares to reward the shareholders, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Vishwendra Narayan Kundu.
Yes.
Hello. Hello, Sudhabachan, Mr. Goenka.
Hi, Shuntabaji.
Okay. Respected Chairman, Mr. Sanjeev Goenka, members of the board, fellow online shareholders and friends, I am pleased. At the outset, I would like to thank the management for steady progress of the company year after year. According to soft copy, the report presented to us has been very nicely prepared, exhaustive detail, and I have nothing further to say on it. The shareholders are very happy to see that you have maintained the same dividend of ₹7 per share, that is 350%. Of course, I should say that your face value of ₹1 per share. Sir, I have nothing to say on the account, which everything said. Chairman said, we appreciate the growth of PCL from 4,72,000 MP in 2017 at 3,000 now. Further, hope that Chennai factory come up soon and add significant to the capacity. I think this is our responsibility. Chairman sir, I have two specific questions. To pandemic situation, what is future plan? What is your roadmap next 4 years? Before I close, I have one request to you, sir. The humanistic and holistic approach taken by the company during the COVID pandemic is a milestone. In this overall world crisis, the existence of humanity throughout the world, the steps taken by the company, the form of sir, are highly appreciated. The Ratan Tata already has taken the employees decision to support the family members of the deceased employee and the education of their children. Man, standing salute from all of us, and I am proud that I am a shareholder and part of the family of such a decision maker. My heart goes out and my head of all of us. Before I close, I convey my sincere thanks to the entire secretariat on behalf of the shareholder. With this observation, I am closing here with thanks. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I think of all the registered speakers, almost everyone asked about COVID-19, the response of the company and the impact of the pandemic on the company. Out of 51,559 employees, 160 in Philips Carbon have refused to take the vaccination. As a matter of policy, we are vaccinating all our people. For those who are not taking the vaccine, they have to have mandatorily an RT-PCR test done every fortnight, so that everyone else in the environment and in the offices and factories are safe. We've also announced a few weeks ago, and not only in Philips Carbon but across all the group, that every employee who has lost his life due to COVID while in service, the family will continue to receive their salary for their full period of service. They have an option. If they don't want this, and they have an employable next of kin, we would give employment to the next of kin. Yes, there is an impact of the pandemic on demand, on mobility, on construction activities. But despite that, we have managed to reach this position where we are selling 38,000 tons a month. We do believe that we should be able to carry on with this situation at the very least. The withdrawal of anti-dumping duties definitely had some impact. But having said that, we are able to maintain our volumes at this point in time. PCBL Tamil Nadu has been created to create an entity and focus very specifically on the Tamil Nadu plant. The next few years, the immediate expansion is in Tamil Nadu, which will add capacity of roughly 2 lakh tons per annum, and which will take our capacity to just under 8 lakh tons an annum. So that is an addition of almost 33% to our capacity. There is going to be a much stronger focus on value-added blacks, on specialty blacks. And there will be an effort to shift from being just carbon black to being a chemical company. There will be an even stronger focus on efficiencies, on costs, on customer satisfaction, on customer relationships, on better process controls, on producing more green energy, and overall being a responsible corporate citizen. Thank you all for the good words, and thank you, Mr. Kundu, for the congratulations to the Managing Director on his very well-deserved award. On behalf of the entire team of Philips Carbon, I humbly accept your compliments, and I will add my own to that of yours for the whole team of Philips Carbon Black. Thank you very much for joining us at this general meeting. All the very best. Stay safe, stay well. Hope to see you next year. All the best. The voting results, along with the scrutinizer's report, will be made available within 48 hours from the conclusion of this AGM and will be posted on the company's website at www.pcbllimited.com and the website of NSDL. Such results will also be displayed on the notice board at the registered office and shall be available at NSE and BSE. Once again, thank you. I declare the 60th Annual General Meeting closed. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.